What's the meaning of this? What was that? Who killed my fish? Was it you? Were you all in on it? It was hanging from your mouth. Oh my god, it's nothing but a skeleton. I can't see it now.
Oh, the shrimp is going after it.
Stay away from there, you shrimp. Oh my god, they ate my neon tetra. Why? Oh my god. He's gonna drag him away. I'm gonna cry all day. What the heck happened here last night? On a separate note, I may not have internet for the rest of the month, so I don't want you guys to freak out. Cooking Company's dead! Ah!